my dear children. Welcome to Coral Publishers Eco Tour, a book of environmental studies for class 4th. Children, let's begin with chapter number 14, Games We Play. Now, you all know there is a proverb, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. इसका मतलब क्या है कि सिर्फ अगर हम काम ही काम करते रहेंगे और कुछ खेलेंगे नहीं, कुछ गेम्स नहीं खेलेंगे, इंजॉयमेंट नहीं लेंगे, तो हमारी लाइफ कैसी हो जाएगी? डल and monotonous. So games play a very important role in breaking the monotony of our life to provide recreation in our life. All of us need to have rest and fun. We have fun when we do things like playing, watching TV, etc. When we play games, we relax our mind. Children love to play. In this lesson, let us read about the games and play. We all follow a routine every day. Life becomes very dull and boring if we do not take a break from our usual routine and work. Doing something different from the routine is called recreation. So life हमारी बहुत dull हो जाएगी, boring हो जाएगी अगर हम एक ही काम हर वक्त करते रहेंगे. So it is very important to have some leisure time in our life, जिसे हम बोलते हैं recreation. It makes us feel relaxed and fresh. If we have a recreation, it gives us more energy to begin the next day's routine. That is why it is necessary that children play for a while in the evening. इसीलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम शाम को खेलें. बच्चों को लिए it is very important कि after studies जब वो बहुत ज़्यादा थक जाते हैं, their mind is fully occupied, they should take some rest to play games and relax their mind. That is why it is necessary that children should play for a while in the evening. Activities like reading, watching television, listening to music, knitting and painting are also recreation or hobbies. Recreation means activity we do in our leisure time. जो हम अपने खाली समय में जो हम activities करते हैं, जो हमारे mind को relax करती है, freshen up करती है, उसे ही हम बोलते हैं recreation. Let's get started. Write the name of these game tools and in which game they are used. तो ये सब it would be your favorite work. ये काम आपको खुद करना है अपनी notebook में. Life lesson: girls are no less than boys in any field. Sportswomen like Saina Nehwal, P.T. Usha, Sania Mirza have won laurels for our country. Teaching tips: teachers should give some idea to children of some games which give knowledge along with recreation. Also tell the importance of recreation in life. It is very important for every child to have friends to play with. Friends are not only our playing companions, but also we can share our feelings and problems with them. Friends influence our lives and we always remember them. So it is very important to have friends in life. ऐसा क्यों है बच्चों? Because man is a social animal. उसे सोशलाइज करना अच्छा लगता है, एक दूसरे के साथ मिल के रहना अच्छा लगता है. अगर हम सिर्फ अकेले ही बैठे रहेंगे तो हमारी लाइफ कैसी हो जाएगी? बोरिंग हो जाएगी, डल हो जाएगी. इसीलिए इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव सम कंपेनियंस, टू हैव सम फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ हम अपने फीलिंग्स को शेयर कर सकते हैं, जिनके साथ हम खेल सकते हैं. इंडोर एंड आउटडोर गेम्स. तो गेम्स सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें बाहर जाकर ही खेलने हैं. कुछ गेम्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम घर में बैठ के भी खेल सकते हैं, जिनको हम बोलते हैं इंडोर गेम्स. और ऐसे गेम्स जिनको हम बाहर जाके खेलते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं आउटडोर गेम्स. Knowing more, yoga is a kind of exercise that help us to keep fit and treat many health problems. Indoor games which commonly played by children are given below. तो सबसे पहला इंडोर गेम क्या है बच्चों? This is chess. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि बच्चे क्या खेल रहे हैं? They are playing chess. तो chess जो है we play it on a board and that board has white and black blocks. और कितने blocks होते हैं total? 64 blocks होते हैं. It is a mind game. It helps to refresh our mind. Chess is a game of skill. It is played between two people or persons. This game is played on a chessboard. Each player has an army of 16 chessmen including queen and the king. Then we have snake and ladder. Snake and ladder तो सारे ही बच्चे खेलते हैं घर में. It is an exciting children game played on the board. तो यहाँ पर एक बोर्ड होता है जिसपे पिक्चर्स बनी होती हैं स्नेक की और होती हैं लैडर्स along with some numbers. आप डाइस के साथ ये गेम खेलते हो and you move according to the number which comes on the dice. Board with pictures of snakes and ladders on it. It is played with a dice. On throwing the dice, the number is seen on the front face of the dice. Players move their pieces up the ladder to go forward according to the number. They go down the snake as a punishment. The player who reaches the last number on the board first is the winner. Carrom board. Another very interesting indoor game is carrom board. It is played by both children and the elders. It is played with a striker. तो कैरम बोर्ड खेलने के लिए हमें स्ट्राइकर की ज़रूरत होती है. Now let us study about the outdoor games. Cricket. Cricket is the most popular game among the children. Cricket तो ज़्यादातर बच्चे सभी खेलते हैं, चाहे आप सोसाइटीज़ में देख लो, पार्क्स में देख लो, गार्डन्स में देख लो, ज़्यादातर बच्चे क्रिकेट ही खेल रहे होते हैं. It is one of the most popular game in India. It is played by two teams consisting 11 players each. The player who throws the ball is called the bowler and the player who hits the bat is called the batsman. Then we have hockey. Children, hockey is our national game. The national game of India is hockey and it is played with the help of a stick जिसे हम बोलते हैं hockey stick. Though hockey is not as popular as cricket, it is still played with lot of enthusiasm by a large number of people. It is played by two teams consisting 11 players in each team. Then we have football. This game is played by two teams on a rectangular field. Each team consists of 11 players. तो football में भी हर team में कितने members होते हैं? 11. Each player tries to kick the ball into the opponent's goal. In this game, any part of the body can be used except the hands. तो हम कोई भी part body का use कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अपने hands को हम इसमें use नहीं करते हैं. One player of each team guards the goal और जो goal को guard करता है उसे ही क्या कहा जाता है? Goalkeeper. Football is also known as soccer in some countries. Skill-based activity. Take a look at the game shown in the following picture. Name the games. तो यहाँ पे आपको identify करना है कि ये games कौन से हैं. Basketball, children, is again a team game in which each team compete the other team for throwing the ball into a net. Basketball is played by two teams of 5 players. तो हर team में 5 players होते हैं. Each player score a basket goal when they put the ball in a circular band called rim. The team that has more score, more baskets is the winner. Lawn tennis, volleyball, kabaddi are also popular outdoor games. Now rules of the game. Children, it is very important to have some rules in the games क्योंकि अगर हम rules को follow करते हैं तो वहाँ पर लड़ाई होने के chances कम होते हैं. People do not conflict or fight in any game if they follow the rules. It is important to know the rules of the game. We can avoid an argument with friends if the rules are clear. In a team game like cricket, वहाँ तो umpire होते हैं जो कि decide करते हैं whether the work done is correct or not. Who makes sure that the rule of the games are followed. In football, he is called a referee. In school during the games period, games teachers जो है वो conduct कराते हैं games and they make sure that each children plays according to the rules of the game. The teacher teaches the children the rule of game they play. Knowing more, in a basketball court, one rim is placed above the ground at each end. These rims are connected to two rectangular boards that hangs on poles. Skill-based activity. We know that all games and sports are played by rules, but rules change over time. From teams and play your favorite games, but with some new and different rules. Make the rule first and let each player should know these rules. So play with your rules and have fun. तो आप अपने rules बनाकर भी बच्चों खेल सकते हैं. Knowing more, playing games according to the rules makes us disciplined. When we play together, we must remember कि हम जब भी एक दूसरे के साथ खेल रहे होते हैं, हमें सबको ये बात याद रखनी चाहिए that we should play with the sportsmanship. हमें एक दूसरे के लिए रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए. किसी के लिए भी हमें अब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज यूज नहीं करनी चाहिए. Do not abuse each other, not to hurt anyone who cannot play well. To follow the rules of the game, we should not quarrel or fight if someone breaks the rule. Right time to play. My parents encourage me to play different games, but they have taught me that I should play during playtime. So children, it is very important कि आप अपना एक time limit रखें जिसमें आप खेल सके. ये नहीं है कि हम पूरा दिन ही खेलते रहेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. There should be a particular time in which you should play, and the rest of time you should give to the other activities as well as your studies. I play only during the daylight when there is enough light. I get back home before it is dark. Sometimes I want to play longer, but I listen to what my parents say. So it is very important कि आप अपने parents की सुने. अगर वो आपको खेलने के लिए allow करते हैं, then only you should play after the daylight. Otherwise, you should go back to your homes. I understand that my parents know what is best for me. If we study during study time and play only during playtime, then nobody would stop us from playing. So children, it is very important to have a study time and a play time. ये नहीं होता कि आप पूरा दिन ही खेलेंगे. It is not like that. You should have a particular time for play as well as for your studies. तभी आपके मम्मी पापा आपको रोकेंगे नहीं to play in your play time. We should divide our time in such a way that we get ample time for studying, playing and other activities. Playing together. The sports teacher in our school encourages all boys and girls to play together. They play cricket, badminton, tennis and chess. We must play with everyone. The more children there are, the more fun it will be. So it is very important कि हम सबको एक साथ मिलके लेके चले और खेले, क्योंकि जितने ज़्यादा बच्चे खेलते हैं ना, उतना ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. Next time when you play a game, try to include as many children as you can. For example, when you play cricket, you can make new rules. Each child gets to face only 6 balls. So many more children can be included in the team instead of just 11. This will also make the game more enjoyable. Team spirit. बच्चों, जब हम एक टीम के साथ मिलके खेल रहे होते हैं तो इट इज़ नॉट द इंडिविजुअल जिसकी बात माननी पड़ती है. इसके अंदर हमें पूरी ही टीम को इकट्ठा लेके चलना पड़ता है. हर मेंबर को इम्पोर्टेंस देनी होती है. Team is a group of people elected to play a game. A school has, for example, a cricket team, a football team, and so on. The team represents the school. Similarly, our country also has teams. जैसे आपने देखा है क्रिकेट के लिए we have a cricket team, Indian cricket team, Indian football team. So ये टीम पूरी की पूरी हमारी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. They represent the country. Team spirit is the wholehearted manner in which all the team members play together. तो इसके अंदर किसी के अंदर भी एक दूसरे को लेकर कोई भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स नहीं होनी चाहिए. All the members of the team should play together happily and with their full enthusiasm. It is very important to be a part of team and have team spirit from young age. Women power in game. There is a belief that girls cannot play as well as the boys. तो कहा जाता था कि girls उतना अच्छा नहीं खेल सकती जितना कि अच्छा boys खेलते हैं. But this is a myth. Women power in a game. Children, it was believed that girls cannot play as well जितना कि एक बॉय खेलता है. बट नाउ गर्ल्स हैव शोन दैट दे कैन एक्सेल इन एनी फील्ड. गर्ल्स भी उतना ही अच्छा खेल सकती हैं जितना कि बॉयज खेलते हैं. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. अंकिता रैना टेनिस, कर्णम मालेश्वरी वेट लिफ्टिंग, पीटी उषा एथलेटिक्स, अंजू बॉबी जॉर्ज लॉन्ग जंप, साइना नेहवाल बैडमिंटन एंड अंजलि Bhagwat shooting has won many medals at the international levels, showing that they are no less than the boys. They have proved that girls are equally tough competitors. Playing together help us in making friends, developing team spirit and leadership qualities. Playtime is the best time of the day. We especially enjoy playing games with our friends. While playing, we learn to cooperate, share and work together. Playing together help us to build team spirit. Now have look on revision time. Doing something different from the routine is called recreation. Games keep us physically fit. It is important to follow the rules of a game. Team spirit is an important quality needed while playing. Both indoor and outdoor games are popular with children. We should study in study time and play in the play time. We should not fight while playing. Children play games to relax and enjoy themselves. Have a look on exercise, children. Tick the correct option. Playing together helps you in Developing team spirit, developing leadership qualities. So the answer will be both of them. An outdoor game is cricket. Following rules of game is important to avoid conflicts and fights. The game of cricket has 11 players. Games that we play inside are called indoor games. Who helps to learn about the rules of the games you play? Games teacher. Children, have a look on the fill in the blanks. Playing games according to the dash make us disciplined according to the rules. Rules help us to play a game in a fair manner. So this is fair. Carom and chess are कैसे games हैं? They are the indoor games. When we play games, we relax our mind. So you will write relax here. We must not dash or fight if someone breaks the rules. So we must not quarrel. We must have a dash spirit. We must have a team spirit. We all follow a dash every day. We all follow a routine every day. Write T for true and F for false. Watching TV for long hours helps us in keeping good health. No, this is false. In basketball, to score point, the ball has to pass through the stumps. This is again false. We develop a feeling of fighting by playing together. No, this is again false. Hockey is played indoor. No, it is an outdoor game. It is important to know the rules of the game. Yes, this is true. We should play during study time. No, children, this is again false. A team is a group of people selected to play a game. Yes, this is true. Have a look on match the following. Cricket you will match with bat. Carrom board, you require a striker. Badminton, you require a racket. PT Usha is an athlete. Kite, you require manja. Movie, you require a cinema hall. And Scrabble is an indoor game. I hope you have understood this chapter nicely. Stay tuned for the new video. Till then, goodbye.